Hello everyone, how are you doing? Every word that comes after verb to be and doesn't have ing is an adjective គ្រប់ពាក្យដែលនៅបន្ទាប់កិរិយាសព្ទ to be ខាងចុងពាក្យអត់មាន ing នោះគឺជាគុណនាម He is tall and black. He is tall and black. គាត់ខ្ពស់ហើយខ្មៅ is a verb to be is គឺជាកិរិយាសព្ទ to be tall black these are the adjectives ខ្ពស់ហើយខ្មៅគឺជាគុណនាម She is pretty and kind She is pretty and kind នាងស្អាតហើយចិត្តល្អទៀត pretty and kind គឺជាគុណនាម Those foods are delicious. Those foods are delicious. ម្ហូបទាំងអស់នោះឆ្ងាញ់ delicious គឺជាគុណនាម I am cute and gentle. I am cute and gentle. ខ្ញុំគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ហើយទន់ភ្លន់ cute ហើយនិង gentle គឺជាគុណនាម You were thoughtless because you were grumpy. You were thoughtless because you were grumpy. អ្នកមិនបានគិតឲ្យដិតដល់ពីព្រោះអីអ្នកមួម៉ៅ thoughtless grumpy គឺជាគុណនាម They are nice. Their children are smart. They are nice. Their children are smart. ពួកគាត់ចិត្តល្អកូនរបស់ពួកគាត់ឆ្លាត nice ហើយនិង smart គឺជាគុណនាម These shoes were too small for her. She was upset. These shoes were too small for her. She was upset. ស្បែកជើងនេះតូចពេកសម្រាប់នាងបានអន់ចិត្ត small ហើយនិង upset គឺជាគុណនាម We failed the test yesterday because it was too hard. We failed the test yesterday because it was too hard. ពួកយើងបានធ្លាក់តេស្តកាលពីម្សិលមិញពីព្រោះអីតេស្តនឹងពិបាកពេក We were disappointed. We were disappointed. ពួកយើងបានធ្លាក់ទឹកចិត្ត hard ហើយនិង disappointed គឺជាគុណនាម Just for fun គ្រាន់តែជាការសប្បាយបំពេញ clear ខាងលើហ្នឹងគឺថា1 2 3រើសមួយណាក៏បានឲ្យត្រូវជាមួយ clear ខាងលើហើយខាងក្រោមក៏ដូចគ្នាដែររើសមួយណាក៏បានឲ្យត្រូវ clear ខាងលើ I will answer these in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Love you all. See you in the next video. Goodbye.